Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can change your profile picture or your profile or the username on your Parler account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the profile icon. So let's click on the profile. And after clicking on the profile icon, so as you can see, you'll be able to see this icon here. So we have to click on this icon. And after clicking on this icon, as you can see, if you want to edit your profile, then you have to click on the edit profile. And here's the option. If you want to change your picture, you have to click on this. And now you need to choose that which picture you want to add. For example, I'm going to choose a random picture here. So we have to choose that. So as you can see, I have choose this image and I am going to click on the open, and after clicking on the open, I am going to click on the upload and the image will be uploaded. If you want to upload your cover page, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on this cover page. Now you have to choose the picture. For example, I'm going to choose this one and let's click on the open and this image will be uploaded. So as you can see, I'm going to choose like this one and let's click on the upload, and now your cover page is uploaded. So in this way you can change your profile details, you can change your picture, bio and username as well. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.